Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. All those really do help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is an automatic pool cleaning robot by a company called Aiper. As you can see, here is the box. And this particular model is the Scuba S1 Pro. So this thing is packed full of features. So once you open it up, naturally, you're going to get a nice little user manual. It's pretty easy to operate. We're going to go over all the features here in this video. You are going to get a power cable that will go ahead and charge up the nice super long battery. So this does have a 3-hour battery life. And if the battery is completely drained, it's going to take you about 4 hours to fully charge it up. Now, that battery life is going to be able to completely do your whole entire pool very, very easily. I do recommend charging it up between uses, or if you leave it in your pool, you can get a couple uses out of it if you have it like scheduled for a week cleaning and whatnot. Then they're also going to include a little nice hook here, which is going to make it easier to grab the handle and get it out of the pool. Now, this cleaning robot does have a self-parking mode, so when it does get low, it does have a tendency to try to park in the same spot. However, sometimes water currents will push it a little bit off from that. So this comes in handy if it ends up being in the deeper water, so that way you don't have to get fully immersed in your pool to get out the robot. But as you can see, here is the robot itself. So it is nice and big and bulky. Now, one of the very cool things on this robot is you'll notice that it has these little points, and it has 4 of them all the way around, and that is part of its radar system. So this particular robot has what's called the Waveline path navigation. It's going to give you almost full coverage of your pool. It's going to cover about 99% of it. It's going to go in a nice little pattern as cleaning up the walls. It does this like little N kind of pattern, or V pattern, I guess you could say. So that way it covers every square inch of your pool, which is really, really cool. It's not just randomly bouncing around. It is actually mapping, and it has the sensors all the way around it, so that way it always knows where it is. As far as some other nice features, it has these really thick rubber wheels, which allows it to go over various bumps. So let's say you have a skimmer or a drain at the bottom of your pool. It can easily navigate those bumps. It can also easily climb up inclines, which makes it also great. Now, on the top, it does have 2 nice brushless motors. That is what's going to filter out the water and get this thing going. To give you an idea of the kind of suction power of this thing, it has about 100 gallons per minute suction, so it can easily clean the whole entire bottom or the wall surface. Like I said, it can go up all the way up to the wall. Now, it is going to cover a pool size up to about 2,150 square feet. And that's going to just base on its battery life and its kind of runtime within the device itself or the app. Now, you can select the various modes. So it does have 4 different modes. I personally find it really easy to just select that right on the control button at the top. You're simply going to hold down the power button. Once it turns on, then you'll just tap it to go into your different mode that you wish. However, you can also utilize the app that comes with it. Now, those different modes are, it's going to have basically an auto mode. Then it's going to have the eco mode, a floor mode, a wall mode, and then the water line mode. Floor mode, obviously, you're just cleaning the floor. Wall mode, you're just cleaning the wall. In the tile line, it's just going to clean and scrub your tile line, which is kind of a nice little feature. Now, the eco mode, what that's going to do is, if you're going to leave it also in your pool for a little bit longer, you can do that, and it's going to clean for 45 minutes every 48 hours. So that's basically going to extend the battery life and just kind of gives your pool a constant little tune-up as long as it's in the water. This pool cleaner can work on all different types of materials. So whether you have a PebbleTech pool like I do, whether you have a concrete, plaster, fully tile, vinyl, it can work on all those materials. It's going to be good with it. It's going to be able to navigate. It's also partly because of the rubber feet. It has a nice grip on all the various surfaces, which is absolutely great. It also, because of its way it's designed, it can also handle uneven spaces. So like I said, if you have any dips in your pool or you have any things on the bottom. It can navigate over those, which is another great feature of it. As far as the filters itself, it has a massive, large filter on the backside. Just simply open it up. Has a nice, easy handle. Very easy to clean. It has a little push button. You can dump out all the debris and then just hose it down. It's going to collect all the sand, the silt, in the dirt in here. Now, another cool feature of this particular pool cleaner is it also has a secondary filter, which the secondary filter is designed for collecting microbes in like algae. So let's say it is the beginning of the season, maybe you have an algae bloom in your pool. You can run this thing and it's going to collect that through this other filter. Once again, you can just simply hose that off. So it's doing two things at once, which is really, really a cool feature of it. But overall, it's a super powerful pool cleaner. Makes cleaning your pool super, super easy. Large basket to collect a lot of debris. It has about a 4.7-inch slot at the bottom, which is going to be large enough to pick up magnolia leaves, small twigs, all that kind of stuff. So it's able to suck up and go into the container, which is another great feature. But overall, it's a very powerful, very useful tool to maintaining your pool. So if you are in the market for a great pool cleaner, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.